Hey guys, it's Tony here. I'm gonna give you guys a quick TA. Well, not really a TA, more of like a prediction of what I think is gonna happen with Tesla. I mean, last time, Tesla crossed the weekly MACD on the bullish side. We rallied for months, dude. We rallied from January, like April, all the way up until October. So that's April, May, June, July, August, September. That's 6 months. We actually just started, like this last rally, we actually crossed over on the bullish MACD on October, like around December. So, if this is the same case that happened the last time we crossed over to the bullish side, we can see, Tesla rallying from right here, all the way to, possibly summer, which is absolutely insane to me because Tesla is doing absolutely amazing right now. Let's do some quick, let's put some quick price ranges, right? Just so we can kind of see the potential of where Tesla could possibly actually, trail back, right? So we don't know what exactly it can trail down to, but let's see what we can do here. So I think these are going to be all the price ranges to kind of keep in mind of what it can drop to. Let's go right there, right? So I think the most important price ranges are going to be back at that 717 level, the 666 level. Just give yourself a little cross right there just in case. You got the 614 and 593. I think these are going to be the major price points that that we can possibly dip back down to. There is a small gap that got created around this area. Like I'll show you guys right now. So around this area, there's a gap that got created. There's a gap that got created right. I don't know if I would call that a gap, but there's an obvious gap that got created right here between the 817 and 837 level, right? Do I think it's gonna get filled? I mean, you guys already know I'm a big believer on gaps getting filled, and it's definitely a huge possibility that we can trail down and fill that gap, right? But as of right now, there is no reason for anybody to be bearish on Tesla. I mean, if anything, if we do cross over on the hour MACD, we can kind of gauge like what the low end is, and we might trickle back down to the 800 level, possibly 717. But if we do go back down to 717, like there's no reason not to buy. I would be 100% buying calls if we ever hit that 717 level again. Also, if the MACD, if we cross over on the bearish side for the hour MACD, and you see that instead of going straight down, we're kind of trailing or we're trading sideways, that means that we're still completely bullish, and whatever that level is, I would 100% recommend buying calls. But as of right now, there's no reason to be bearish on Tesla, man. Like there's no reason to. It's, if anything, it just started its rally. Like I do think that it's gonna last up until summer. Like we can easily see Tesla at Tesla hitting $1,000 within the next month or two, possibly even sooner, just because it's fucking Tesla. As of right now, I mean, the lowest I think that it'll probably go is 717 if we cross over on that hour MACD. But I think for the most part, we're pretty solid, man. I think once that gap gets filled, you guys are free to buy calls or whatever. But as of right now, Tesla is looking phenomenal for basically up until summer, which is what the rally lasted last year. So we'll see what's going on.